In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're rebranding yourself or simply correcting a misspelled name, updating your profile name can be an essential task. Don't worry, this is a straightforward process and I'll guide you through each step with ease. Firstly, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by going to teams.live.com or alternatively by launching the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged in with the account whose profile name you wish to change. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your Teams interface. Here, you will see your current profile picture, or, if you haven't set one, your initials will be displayed inside a circle. Clicking on this area will bring up a small pop-up menu. This menu provides access to a variety of personal settings. As you examine the options within this menu, look for a pencil icon. This represents the ability to edit. The pencil icon is often linked with edit functionalities across various platforms, creating a universal symbol of modification. Clicking on it will allow you to update your profile details. Once the edit interface is open, you'll see a field containing your current name. This is where you can type in the new name you'd like to display in Teams. It's worth taking a moment here to double check spelling and capitalization, ensuring everything looks exactly as you want it to appear to others. After entering your desired name, look for the Save button. Clicking Save is like sealing the deal. It's what confirms your new name and makes it visible to your peers and colleagues in Microsoft Teams. It's always good practice to verify that these changes have taken effect by returning to the main dashboard and seeing how your new name is displayed in chat rooms or meetings. It's important to note that changes to your profile name won't affect your login details or any other security credentials, so you can proceed with peace of mind. Remember, if at any point you wish to change your name again, you can repeat this process as needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile name in Microsoft Teams. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to make further updates. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, consider sticking around for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy teaming!